welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle, one half of Just Us Wondering. Today's going to be a bit of a different vlog. We are getting ready for a potential trip at the end of the month in the van abroad. So we're finishing bits off in the van, and today I'm tackling the sliding door. So I'll show you what it looks like currently with what I did yesterday and what it was before. Anyway, this is what it was like before. So that was yesterday. You can see the cables and everything, and it just isn't a vibe. This van is going to be a vibe, so yeah, to fix that I've carpeted, look. So I don't know if you can really, hang on, let me get, there we go. So I've carpeted all the way along here and all the way down here roughly, to then stick some rope in. And here, this piece of ceiling is horrendous. If I show you from the outside, it's like it's all cracked and broken from just doing all this. So my plan is to replace that strip with a strip. Rosie gave me loads yesterday, which is amazing. Thank you, girls. So yeah, I'm going to replace that strip and add one more on to hopefully finish the ceiling, and that should make the van a whole lot neater, she says. So yeah, let's do this. The cushions, they're massive, but I cut them yesterday. I need to adjust the table height because they're so big, but they're comfy. Let's go. My first job is I've got to cut this end plank off, so if I just take all this down. Now I've done that, it's exposed this piece. So yeah, looking lovely. So I need to replace this piece now, so let's do that. So I'm just going to add this piece of wood through and into, there's a beam literally there. Let me show you. There. And I'm going to add this piece here to extend it, because I can't get a piece of cladding on there. This is what I was worried about, because it's just going to float. So I've now got to build that out till I've got something substantial. Lost a leg. Lost a leg. There you are. Back on your legs. I broke it. I changed what I did. So I put a big beam in. It goes only to there. That's fine because the last one tucks in there and just sits happily. The only problem with this fan installation is it gets everywhere. Anyway, so yeah, that gives me somewhere to screw into now, which is amazing. So now I just need to measure and cut the piece. Let's do it. So I've just put these two pieces in and it's already looking so much better, look. So that piece is new and so is this one. That's going to have rope on, so that's not a problem, and that's going to have rope on, so that's also not a problem. But yeah, I have noticed my ceiling's just started to fall down, so I'm going to have to go up and screw there, and then ropes going around there also. But yeah, DIY queen. I gotta get these screwed up now, or nailed. I haven't quite decided, but I might nail them to see if I can hide them. So yeah, let's have a go. So these two pieces have all been replaced. This is going to have rope around it. My next issue is the ceiling. It's not going anywhere, but it's not particularly stable. So now I want to work out a way of sort of fixing that somehow. Or putting up the trim. I might put up some trim. Yes. So we've got this trim to finish this. That is now the top trim up. It's just screwed in. It's the best we can do, although we don't want screws visible, but we'll deal with that another day. The back piece isn't my favourite, but it might be changed later down the line, but I'll do for now. What's next? I don't think the piece will go here, but I'll see. So my next job, you really can't see me very well, right? There you go. My next job is to get this rope and trim all the way around the kitchen, across the top of here, and then down this piece all the way down to the door. The rope seems like it might fit. I don't know if Jez wants me to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. So yeah, let's get this up. Thinking screws. Yes. Starting to look really good, and so I've done all up here, all up there, around there, and I'm literally at this corner here. So I've got to work out, to start with I need to paint this edge here so it looks right, matches the blue, and then this rope will come down all the way down. We should just have enough to go just past there. What do we think? I think it's another screw. I really like it. Yeah. I'm gonna go get a little paintbrush, top that up, and then go from there. So they're all painted, and I've just literally painted over the little screw heads that we've got in this wall, just to hide them a little bit. Unavoidable, but we can hide them as much as we can. And now I'm just going to finish the rope and walk the dogs, because that was winning. I thought I could quickly show you how I'm finishing the end of this rope. So it's going just behind here, but when you cut it, it does this. So it unfrays. So the bit that's frayed, I've cut little strands off, and where it's going to end, I'm just tying the string round, double knotting it, then I'll cut it to try and keep it as much together as I can. So really strong. That's Bella. Just cutting the rope. Shh. We'll go wee wees in a sec. Oh, how dare you! So now I've cut that. See, the rope's kept it together. I'm just using some trim fins and trying not to spray the pan. And then that is sort of like holding it together. It's gross stuff, this is. See that? So it's kind of like glued it together for me. So then I can just put that into that corner. And it should just sit quite nicely. I just need to glue like this bit here up, and then that will be the rope portion done. Go, go. Go girl. So now it's looking a little something. Like that, which is much neater than it was. I think one screen may be there. But I'm really happy with that. Yeah, I might leave this vlog here. If you've enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and comment. It really supports our channel and we love speaking to you all, so leave us a comment, just say hi. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
When we finally saw